Hey guys, you're now traveling with TVMA the T. Come on out to Humble Classical Academy's open house. You're now traveling with Houston blogger TVMA the T. I'm doing a community initiative today. I'm hanging out at Classical Academy and I am hanging with the principal, Dr. Cooper. Dr. Cooper, can you introduce yourself to the community?
Hi, my name is Ashley Dr. Cooper. I'm the campus director here at Humble Classical Academy. I have been in education for 8 years, going on 9. I have been a classroom teacher for 7 years, and 3 years, well, going on 3 years as a campus director.
Awesome, awesome. And can you share a little bit about Classical Academy? I mean, I can spill the tea about Classical Academy because I am a client, but I'm gonna let you do the honors.
Absolutely. So here at Humble Classical, we focus on virtues and characters. We focus on the classical methods, where we do transcriptions. We read our classic canons, such as the Hatchet, some of those books that we're familiarized when we were in school. We focus on providing hope for all of our students, to where we press for virtue. We have art and music embedded as well, and we make sure that we're providing that differentiated instructions for our students.
That sounds awesome. Guys, I can definitely attest to the differentiation. I told you guys I am also a client. My son attends Classical Academy. So, attending Classical Academy, what can a parents expect when they choose to have this as their school of choice?
Absolutely. So, what parents can expect is, in the mornings when our scholars walk into our campus, we recite our mission statement. We also recite our motto, which is integrity first, service before self, excellence in all we do. We also talk about character education, our virtue of the month. It changes monthly. And then our scholars, they go into the classrooms. That's where they flourish with amazing, engaging lessons, from Envisions Math to STEM Scope Science, and we have our HMH. Hawk, Hawkman, Mifflin Harcourt, it's abbreviated for HMH. That's our
Right.
ELAR reading. It's embedded, so that's where you'll see, for K2, they'll work on our phonics. And then for social studies, it's our core knowledge.
So, Dr. Cooper, what grades does Classical Academy accept?
So we currently are accepting kinder through fifth grade.
Through fifth grade. And some of the extensions that you will find if you choose to send your children to Classical Academy is not only what I'm hearing is the STEM engagement, but also I know that you guys are very heavy in doing outside learning with field trips, etc. Can you speak a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So we want our students to have a field-based experience, not just inside of the classroom, but also outside. So we at Venture, to many different areas in the Houston area. We're currently working on partnering with Echo Education so we can provide our students or our scholars, even more opportunities to go outside. We also do. We do field studies, especially in the science area, where they go out, and they are focusing on that nature studies. It's more hands on for our scholars. They get that learning experience in the real world setting.
I think that's awesome. And so today I'm out here, guys. I'm hanging out in Humble. Can you share the address?
Yes, it's 901 Wilson Road, Humble, Texas.
And you guys can come out here, parents, if you're looking for a change of education for your scholar. You definitely can come out to Classical Academy. The address is 901
Wilson Road
Wilson Road in Humble, Texas, guys. We'll be out here all day talking to new parents about enrollment and what are the hours that the parents can visit.
from 9 to 12.
All right, guys, you heard it here first. You're now traveling with Houston blogger TVMA the T. We'll be right back. Keep it locked.